my name is Meg, and today I'm going to be showing you around Heitzman, Hurd, and Myers.
Heitzman, Hurd, and Myers are three residential hall buildings on the South 40 at WashU. Originally constructed as buildings G, H, and I, these three buildings form the residential community affectionately known as HIG. Each of these three buildings has 4 floors with 4 6-person suites on each floor. Although the bottom floor of each building is a little different, the amenities in each are open to all. On the basement of Heitzman, we have a laundry room and a mailroom. On the first floor of Heitzman, there's also a small common room. Hurd's ground floor has a kitchen, a living space, a computer room, as well as a laundry room.
This is the main entrance of Myers, and then in here we've got a little bit of a common area. So some more couches, a TV, which is really nice. And then in here, we've got a little mini kitchenette. So a fridge, microwave, sink, some storage. And then over here, there's a printer, and there's a printer in each residential hall. More space, bunch of couches, table, TV. I'm here with Angie, who's going to let me show you her dorm room. Hi, welcome to a Myers dorm. Come on in. So in each of the suites in Heitzman, Hurd, and Myers, there is a common area, this big, very big space. So the common room comes with these couches and these nice little chairs. Very comfortable. There aren't any common rooms on each floor of the dorm, so having this bigger communal space for just a single suite is really convenient. The dorm also has a balcony. In all the suites, there's 2 doubles and then 2 singles, so 6 people in total. There's also a bathroom, so I'll take you inside the bathroom first. So this is what a typical bathroom in Heitzman, Hurd, and Myers looks like. This is shared between the 6 suite mates that live together in this suite. Sink, and then we've also got this mirror and this cabinet. You can put all your toiletries in. And then back here, there is a toilet with a stall. Back up here on this step is the shower and mirror. So each suite layout is different depending on what side of the building it's on. But in this suite, down this hallway, we have 1 single, another single, and then 2 doubles. So I'll take you on the double over here. So this is one of the doubles in Myers, and it's got 2 twin beds with Tempur-Pedic mattresses. Each room comes with the twin-size bed frame, a desk, a shelf above the desk, and then right behind, or in front of me, behind the camera, is a kind of like a closet area. So we've got some drawers and areas to like hang your clothes and store extra products. So that's really nice. And then it also comes with this little swivel desk chair. There's also a window in each of the rooms. If you're in a single suite, it looks kind of similar to the double, it's just a bit smaller. So in HIG, the single, it'll kind of be cut off here where this edge of the twin bed is, and you'll have a little bit of walking space. You'll have a window, and then you'll have room for your desk and your bed. There's also some space up here towards the front of the room, towards the door, where you can keep like a fridge or a microwave, and it also comes with this mirror. On every floor there's a trash room, so right in here you can take all your trash.
Here's the laundry room of Myers, where washing your clothes is free to all WashU students. So that was a quick overview of Heitzman, Hurd, and Myers. If you're living here next year, welcome to HIG.